Hi, Tim. How are you today?
Hi, Rosie. I'm good, thank you.
What time do you go to school, Tim?
I go to school at 7:30. I like to be early. It helps me get ready for class.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bicycle. It takes me about 10 minutes. I enjoy the ride every morning.
What do you do when you arrive at school?
I greet my friends and teachers. Then I go to my classroom. I prepare my books and pens.
What is your first subject today?
My first subject is English. I like English because it's fun. Our teacher makes it interesting.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Mrs. Anna. She is very kind and helpful. She teaches us many new words.
What do you like to learn in English class?
I like to learn new vocabulary and short stories. We also practice speaking. It helps me speak better.
What subject do you have after English?
After English, I have math. Math is a little hard for me, but I try my best every day.
Do you like math, Tim?
Yes, I do. It helps me think faster. I like solving problems.
What subject do you like the most?
I like science the most. We do fun experiments. It makes learning exciting.
What time does your first class start?
My first class starts at 8. I always sit in the front row. I like to listen carefully.
What time do you have lunch at school?
I have lunch at 12. I eat with my friends. We talk and laugh together.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and chicken. Sometimes I have noodles. I also drink water or juice.
What do you do during break time?
I play with my friends. Sometimes we play football. Sometimes we just talk and rest.
How many subjects do you study, Tim?
I study 8 subjects. They are English, math, science, history, geography, art, music, and PE. I like most of them.
Do you have homework every day?
Yes, I have homework every day. It helps me practice what I learn. I do it after dinner.
How long do you spend on homework?
I spend about 1 hour, sometimes more if it's difficult. I like to finish it before watching TV.
Do you like doing homework?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on the subject. I like English homework, but not math.
What time does your school finish?
My school finishes at 4 o'clock. I feel tired but happy. I always say goodbye to my friends.
What do you do after school?
I go home and take a rest. Then I help my mother. After that, I do my homework.
Who do you sit with in class?
I sit with my best friend Tom. We share books and notes. We help each other in lessons.
What do you bring to school every day?
I bring my school bag, books, and pens. I also take my lunchbox. Sometimes I bring a water bottle.
What color is your school uniform?
My school uniform is white and blue. It looks clean and nice. I wear it proudly every day.
What do you wear on sports day?
I wear a t-shirt and shorts. We can wear our favorite colors. It's a fun and active day.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love my school. The teachers are friendly. The students are nice too.
What is your favorite place at school?
My favorite place is the library. It's quiet and full of books. I like reading there.
What do you read in the library?
I read English storybooks. They help me learn new words. I also read about science.
What do you do in computer class?
We learn how to use computers. We type and play learning games. It's very interesting.
Do you have art class?
Yes, I do. I like to draw and color. It makes me happy.
What do you like to draw?
I like to draw houses and trees. Sometimes I draw my family. My teacher says my drawings are good.
Do you like PE class?
Yes, I love PE. We play football, run, and jump. It keeps me strong.
Do you have a school canteen?
Yes, we do. It sells snacks and drinks. I sometimes buy fruit juice there.
Do you have exams at school?
Yes, we have exams every term. I study hard for them. I always want to do well.
How do you study for exams?
I read my notes and practice old tests. I ask my teacher if I don't understand. It helps me remember.
What do you do if you don't understand something?
I ask my teacher for help. Sometimes my friends explain too. We learn together.
Do you help your friends with lessons?
Yes, I do. I help them with English. It feels good to share what I know.
What is your favorite day at school?
Friday is my favorite day. We have art and music. It's always fun.
Do you like your classmates?
Yes, they are very kind. We work together in groups. We help each other.
What do you use to write in class?
I use a pencil and a pen. I also have an eraser. My handwriting is getting better.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, I do. It helps me remember lessons. I write neatly in my notebook.
What color is your school bag?
My school bag is black. It has many pockets. I keep my books and lunch inside.
Do you bring a water bottle to school?
Yes, I always do. I drink water during breaks. It keeps me healthy.
What do you do before going to bed?
I check my school bag and uniform. Then, I read a book. After that, I sleep early.
Do you study at night?
Yes, for a short time. I review what I learned. It helps me prepare for the next day.
How many hours do you sleep at night?
I sleep about 8 hours. I need rest to feel fresh. It helps me study well.
What do you do on weekends?
I don't go to school on weekends. I play games and watch TV. Sometimes I review lessons.
Do you visit your school garden?
Yes, sometimes. It has many flowers and trees. I like the fresh air.
Who takes care of the school garden?
Our teacher and students do. We water the plants. It's a nice activity.
Do you like your head teacher?
Yes, she is very kind. She talks nicely to everyone. She makes school a happy place.
What is your classroom like?
It is big and clean. We have colorful posters. It's a nice place to study.
How many students are in your class?
There are 30 students. We all get along well. It feels like a big family.
Do you use a blackboard or whiteboard?
We use a whiteboard. The teacher writes with markers. It's easy to read.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading. It helps me learn new ideas. I read every night.
What book are you reading now?
I'm reading a story about space. It's really interesting. I learn about planets.
Do you write stories in English?
Sometimes I do. My teacher asks us to write short ones. It's good practice.
What do you like about your school the most?
I like the teachers and my friends. Everyone is helpful. It feels like home.
Do you have a school assembly?
Yes, every Monday morning. We sing the national song. The head teacher gives a short speech.
What do you do in class presentations?
We talk about our projects. I sometimes show pictures. It helps me speak better.
Do you use a school timetable?
Yes, I do. It helps me know what subjects I have. I keep it in my notebook.
What do you do if you are late for school?
I say sorry to the teacher. Then I join the class quietly. I try not to be late again.
Do you bring snacks to school?
Yes, sometimes. I bring fruits or biscuits. I share them with my friends.
What do you do in group work?
We talk and share ideas. We write together. It's fun to work as a team.
Do you like drawing on the board?
Yes, I like it. The teacher lets us sometimes. I draw pictures for the class.
What do you do on rainy school days?
I take an umbrella and wear a raincoat. I walk carefully to school. I still enjoy the day.
Do you ever get tired at school?
Yes, sometimes I do, but I rest during breaks. Then I feel better.
What do you like to do after finishing your homework?
I like to watch TV or read a story. Sometimes I play games. Then I go to bed early.
Thank you for sharing, Tim. It was nice talking with you.
You're welcome, Rosie. I enjoyed our talk. See you at school tomorrow.